This 2026 Forest River XLR Nitro 41G14 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 45 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, smoke detector, slide out, spare tire kit, skylight, awning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, auxiliary battery, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River XLR Nitro 41G14 is 15,146 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.